Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be something from this lovely oak burl. So I'm not 100% sure what to make from it as usual, but as you can see I've already cut it in half. So my thoughts were to either use each piece and make two separate little bowls or platters or something like that, and then fill it with resin and make two separate pieces. Right, so I've got them cleaned up. I've just used a wire brush, give it a good brush out and everything, used old screwdriver and that just to clear out all the old pieces of bark and everything. But what I've decided to do is actually just use this one piece for this video. We'll make a mould up, we'll fill it with some resin, and then we can make a nice bowl or platter or something like that from it. And then this piece we'll use another time in another video. I've got an idea what to do with it. I won't let on now what that is, but yeah, like I say, we'll use this in another video another time. I'm just going to mix up a small amount of resin, just clear resin, just to seal the bark areas of this. Hopefully that will seal the edges and help prevent any bubbles from trapped air in the wood. So yeah, we'll get that done and then we'll look at making a mould. Right, so I've jumped ahead a little bit, but just to let you know where we've got to. So as I was saying, I've filled the inside, the bark area of the burl with some clear resin. Now that'll hopefully stop any extra air bubbles when the resin soaks into the wood. It's not going to push any air out and create any more bubbles. Also, I've gone ahead and made a mould. I've just used some corrugated plastic and some hot glue. Not pretty, but as long as it doesn't leak, then we'll be okay. Fingers crossed. Right, so I've gone ahead and mixed up some resin already. I've gone with the electric blue. Done quite an amount of that. I want that to be the main colour. I've also gone with silver as well. Again, gone there. I need just a little amount with that one. Just want to try and get some sort of silver marbly effect going on in the piece. I have actually gone quite pigment heavy on these. I want the colours to be nice and bold. So yeah, hopefully it should look quite nice with the grey sort of marbly effect through the blue. Right, so ready to pour the resin now. Fingers crossed my mould holds up and there's no leaks. Right, so I've just taken it off the lathe for a little bit because where is it? It's quite a big crack just there. I don't know if you can see it better on this side. Yeah, it's quite a big crack there, and there's lots of other little pits and that in the burl areas. So what I want to do, well, the reason I'm going to do it is because obviously some of the resin has gone in into some of these little pits here, and then some of them haven't, so it looks a little bit odd in my opinion. So what I'm going to do, instead of mixing up some resin to put in there, I'm actually going to use some black milliput, and I'm going to mix that up and pop that in all the little cracks and little pits and everything, and then once that's gone off, we'll get it back on the lathe again and get the bowl finished off. But I think the black will contrast the wood and the resin quite well. Right, so using Howard's beeswax and orange oil on this as the finish. Right, so there we go, it's all finished. I think it's come out quite well. I've got a few little marks in the resin still. I'm not entirely sure what's happened there. I think maybe some grit or something got stuck onto the last grit of sandpaper that I used. Other than that, it's come out really well, really happy with it. And the milliput that I put in all the little cracks and bumps is gone really well. So again, on the back, filled up all the little cracks with the milliput. It's come out really well. So yeah, all in all, it's come out well, and I'm quite happy with it. So yeah, the bowl itself is sort of around about 7 inches in diameter and about 1.5 inches, 1.75 inches deep. But other than that, yeah, quite happy. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed this project. It's the first time I've made anything with a proper burl, so really enjoyed that, and good experience as well. If you enjoyed the video, then please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you again for the next video. There's something a little bit different next time. So yeah, we'll see you again soon. Bye for now.